If you want to turn a YouTube video into a blog post using Claude AI, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact process step by step so you can take a video transcript, feed it into Claude, and generate a clean, SEO-friendly article for your website or blog. This is a huge time saver if you repurpose content often, and it's especially useful if you want to turn videos into written content without starting from scratch. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical AI and productivity tips. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the YouTube video you want to turn into a blog post in your web browser. You can use any public video that has a transcript available. Once the video is open, scroll down to the description area and click More to expand it. This is important because YouTube sometimes hides extra details, links, and options until you expand the full description. After that, scroll all the way to the bottom of the description section and look for the Show Transcript button. Click that, and YouTube will open the transcript in a panel on the right side of the screen. You'll usually see timestamps alongside the spoken text, which makes it easy to reference the structure of the video. Now copy the entire transcript. Make sure you get all of it, because the full transcript gives Claude AI the most context to work with. Once you've copied it, open Claude and paste the transcript into the chat. Then enter a prompt like, write a 1,000-word SEO-friendly blog post based on this YouTube video. Include an introduction, headings, key takeaways, and a conclusion. That prompt gives Claude a clear target, a desired length, and a structure to follow, which helps you get a much better first draft. After you submit the prompt, Claude will generate a blog post based on the video content. Take a moment to review the draft carefully. Even though AI can create a strong starting point, you should still edit the article so it matches your voice, your brand, and your audience. Add your own insights, examples, or opinions where needed, because that's what makes the post feel original and more useful to readers. Next, improve the SEO of the article by adding relevant keywords naturally throughout the content. You can also insert images, screenshots, and internal links to related articles on your website. These small details help the post perform better in search and keep readers engaged longer. Finally, proofread the article before you publish it. Check for grammar, spelling, formatting, and any parts that need clarification. Once everything looks good, publish it on your website or blog, and you've successfully turned a YouTube video into a polished blog post using Claude AI. This workflow can save you hours and makes content repurposing much easier. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.